Right, so the market's just opened. We took a very quick, just one contract, and we took a short real quick from here. We covered all the way down here. So what was that? 25,000 to... So it was just over 30 points. So that was a really nice move. Yeah, so we were anticipating some initial push down retracement, and then obviously now it's breaking to the upside. So that was a nice trade. I'm happy with. Right. So big strong move up pre-market open. Moved up by about 200 points, I think. Today has been an absolute disaster. Down heavily. It's been the worst market I've ever seen, which I know isn't saying that much because I still haven't been doing this for a year yet, to be fair. But this is by far the worst that I've seen. The chop was just insane, literally insane. It just didn't go anywhere. It was very much, it traded the entire day inside the opening range. 15-minute opening range. It didn't really pop out of it properly. I think it did to the upside and then came back in. Just nothing, absolute waste of time. And in typical fashion, I just didn't know how to stay out of it, unfortunately. So I took a couple of okay trades. I took a lot of dog shit trades. And yeah, we ended up down, I think, about 600 on the day. I had to lock myself out of trading multiple times just because I was just getting so angry with it. I just could. So yeah, this one started out nicely, bull flag. Just, yeah, this is the problem. I think in a choppy market, when I'm getting chopped up, I'm trying to trade breakouts that are just never going to happen. You know, because you're just trading in such a range that you end up buying the top and selling the bottom, and it's just pointless. I think that's really what's happened here. Well, you know, let's be honest, that's what has happened here. I had multiple opportunities to get out of it quickly, but I didn't. And yeah, just it's hammered back down to stop me out. Oh, no, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, that was it. Yeah, so it started going again a little bit, and I moved my stop. Bear in mind, I was in this trade for, well, quite a while. I was in this trade for a lot longer than I wanted to be. A lot I thought I would be. But yeah. Yeah, I think here I start moving my stop a little. Yeah, there you go. Start moving my stop up. Yeah, that happened quite a few times as well. Move your stop to break even and get stopped out and stuff. That happened a lot today. Yeah, just nothing going on, but I just couldn't stay out of it, you know. So right, so 5-minute chart. We've had this bull flag that's sort of been playing out for far longer than is realistically actually going to do anything. Now back inside the opening range high. Sorry, back inside the opening range, which is where we stay for the rest of the day. And yeah, so I thought, well, it's not going to go up, so let's see if it goes down. So I took a little 10-point trade down. Yeah, 5 contracts. 10-point trade. So yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, this it really went for it. It retested the middle of the opening range in this move as well. Obviously, just with how choppy it is, I just didn't want to hold it. But yeah, 10 points is fine, especially whilst we're struggling the way we are, because we are struggling with this. This isn't easy. Right, so I think at this point I still had this sort of hope that we were still on a really strong trend day after a big move up pre-market. So, you know, I was kind of hoping for a continuation of that pre-market move. But so I've taken along, at the very least, you know, maybe we'll retest the opening range high. Yeah, yeah, bit of a wick on that 5-minute candle. Pushing away nicely is sort of what I was thinking, but yeah, it didn't want to go for us, unfortunately. Had our stop at the EMA. Yeah, just came back down, stopped us out. Nothing really that you can do on that one, other than maybe turn the computer off and just leave it. Right, so I am conscious of the fact that I am buying a downtrend, but why not? So yeah, this was another prime example of what happened a couple of times today, where you get stopped out, break even, yeah, move the stop up shortly, and we get stopped out. Yeah, fucking waste of time. Yep, well, that was that. Right, so this was another one that I recorded. So I think what I've done is I've recorded a lot of the trades. I've not recorded the trades where I've just gotten frustrated and gone on tilt and just been like, fuck off, and just taken silly trades trying to trade every single candle. Yeah, I did that a lot today, and I obviously didn't record that, but there's nothing to be gained by recording that. This is obviously just so I can look back at it and see what I've done right. Even what I've done wrong, see where I went wrong. I don't mind recording logical trades that stop me out or whatever, or what I think is a logical trade, but recording trades where I'm just getting pissed off it just doesn't really serve any purpose. Yeah, this was another little continuer, but again, just get stuck. Every single trade that you take, there's just no continuation whatsoever. You're sitting through draw. It's not even like sitting through drawdown. It's just doesn't move. It just doesn't go. Every single fucking pump down is just ground back up again, and oh god, I'm wound up again just watching it. 10-point move, 5 contracts. Fuck off.